Hi, welcome and welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to use kitchen scraps to grow more vegetables. I will be showing you specifically how to grow cabbage from scrap that most times end up in the garbage. First, I will be removing the saran wrap. Now that the saran wrap has been removed, I will cut off the end portion of the cabbage. Then I will remove some of the leaves so that we will have a big enough stem to sit flat in the water. Now cut off this dark area so that the rooting process can be effective. I will now place this piece of scrap along with another piece into a dish with just enough water to cover the root end. I will come back with an updated video to show how both pieces have rooted. Then I will transplant them into separate planter pots. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.